There's a cat outside my house. This is not the cat that almost ate my gecko. Oh, it's black and white. It's blending in really good. Yeah, it disappeared in the back. It's behind these bushes. Oh, there's a black cat. It's right there. Just wait for it. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but the cat's in there. It's in there. There's a bird on this fence. Okay, and it teleported somehow. Let's see if we can find the cat again. No, the cat's gone. It's really windy out here. Yep, that's it. The cat and the bird are gone. Even though you could hear like the bird sounds in the distance. Okay, well, that's it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Hope you guys have a great day.